The Eucharist is what I draw strength from. That without the Eucharist, the daily grind of things will get to us. So I encourage all the lay people to develop that love for the Eucharist, to have that strength of our Lord. Our Lord is present in the Eucharist, truly present. No? It's not a symbol, and it is where we can draw everything, no? From our daily needs, even our material needs, but more importantly, our spiritual needs, so that we will be able to discern what our Lord wants from us.